Hi, this is how you connect the JBL Live 680NC headphones to an Android phone. First, the headphones needs to be set to pairing mode. If this is the very first time you turn the headphones on, they automatically enter pairing mode, something that is indicated both by a voice saying pairing as well as a little LED light next to the on-off button blinking blue. If they do not enter pairing mode automatically, you instead activate it by pushing the on-off button downwards and holding it there for about 2 seconds, and then you let go of the button. Now, on your phone, open Settings and select Connected Devices, Bluetooth or similar depending on your specific brand. In here, either click the headphones if they show up straight away or select Pair New Device to search for them. After this, just find them in the list of available devices and then select Pair to connect them to your phone. To get the most out of the headphones, it is also very recommended to download the JBL Headphones app. This is available through the normal Google Play Store and gives you a lot of options to adjust both the sound and how the headphones operates in terms of functionality, button adjustments, etc. And that is about that. Also though, if you want to disconnect the headphones from your phone, then this is achieved by again opening the Connected Devices page, clicking on the little cogwheel icon next to the headphones, and then select to forget them. Alright. Thank you for watching. Bye.